have cat meat.
Yes, maybe like more delicious than dog meat.
Cat is more delicious and I don't like cat, so eat cat.
But like in Vietnam, it's easy for you to find a dog meat restaurant.
Yes.
But like the cat is much more difficult.
What others you have? Weird things. Crocodile meat.
Where? Say where?
Snake meat.
Snack.
Cobra.
A snack. It's very simple in Vietnam. We eat snack everywhere.
Oh my god. I scared of snake.
Snack is like in Vietnam. If you go to any restaurant, they will serve you the snack.
Oh
the
my
grilled
god.
snack, the pork with snack, or the hot snack, hot pork snack in Vietnam.
Snake is hot.
Beautiful taste.
And okay, I show you like.
You like it? Hang on.
I love snack. You know, the taste is very beautiful.
Beautiful taste according to them, but I'm scared of snake.
I will show you man like in Vietnam, mouse is also popular for your restaurants. Mouse. Yes, but the best like the rice field mouse. Rice
field mouse.
Yes, like they living on the rice field.
Yeah, so they
very
eat
clear, very
yes,
clean, very
yes,
clean, and very delicious. It's small. We don't eat the city mouse.
Yes, I understand.
Like,
They eat the clean because they always eat the rice and the grass, right?
and I have ever tried the forest mouse. The mouse living in the forest.
He tried the forest mouse.
It's eating the fruits on the forest. It's very clean. Like the muscle is very strong, very solid, very nice, very delicious. Especially the grill, the grill mouse with chili sauce.
Wow. Okay, what about this guys? I have a question for you. What about human being? I want to try human. If we human can eat everything, why we cannot eat human? This is my biggest thing.
Because we are human.
This is what I want to try one day. I don't like eat meat. I like vegetables, but I want to eat human meat.
No, we are humans.
Why, baby? We are tasty.
But you cannot now because you never tried before. But in China they did.
Really?
They do like in China the Chinese they eat the not really human meat like you know about it like
Fetus. The baby, yeah, fetus,
the baby
yes,
shit, like they eat
it's good for health and all they say, yes.
in Vietnam
They make dumplings.
yeah
Yes.
but in Vietnamese culture is fucking horrible, terrible, like
It's no good.
it's very fucking
So, I met a dog eater. So it's like a drug, be careful. This guy likes too much snakes. The snake man.
Why a snack man?
You love snake.
Yeah, I love snack. No, I love snack meat. Snack meat.
He likes snake meat. How does it taste? Like chicken, like fish.
no, like it's very delicious. It's something like have you ever tried in Japanese they say unagi, in English they say
yes.
ew.
Unagi.
In
Yeah.
Japanese, you say, unagi is the eel.
Yes,
the
eel, yes.
Eel, yeah. Snack is much more solid, like maybe it's better.
Okay guys, I can't do this anymore. The snake topic is too much. Peace out.
I haven't tried